The Armenian Ministry of Defense released a new video on Wednesday that showed the moment an Azerbaijani unmanned aerial vehicle was shot down over the Karabakh region. According to reports, the air defense units of the Artsak Defense Army scored a direct hit on the Azerbaijani unmanned aerial vehicle, which was believed to be an An-2 aircraft. In the video that was shared by the Ministry of Defense, the destruction of the Azerbaijani drone was captured in mid-air by members of the Artsak Defense Army. The downing of this Azerbaijani aircraft coincides with reports about the Artsak Defense Army shooting down an enemy drone over the Karabakh region.